Hello, this is Tihan from Fiberscope.net. Today we'll be doing a quick setup guide for the Anaconda Pipe Camera. Firstly, we'll start by assembling the Anaconda unit. We open our control unit shelf and place our monitor on top of it. We got these side latches to secure it. Now we'll connect all the cables and the camera head. Let's start with the camera head. I'll be using our pan and tilt camera head. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All you do is you stick it in properly, make sure the connection is aligned, and you screw in the connection firmly. Let's connect the cables from the reel to the control unit. Let's open up the control unit. We have two sets of cables. One is for the counter and one is for the video footage. They're labeled with a small little tag. The video on the reel, the port is on the side right here. It's pretty straightforward. There's a notch on the cable and in the connection itself. You align it and it sticks in pretty easy. Same with the connection on the control unit. You can see there's the cam port. You stick it in and it's ready to go. If you want to see the counter for the cable length displayed on the screen, you'll have to connect the counter cable. This is possible by connecting it from this little counting device on the back. Same thing as with the video cable, you align the notch and stick it in. And the other end goes into the counter port on the control unit. And this is basically the whole setup for the Anaconda unit. Let me show you how to use the Anaconda control unit. Let's start with demonstrating the photo and video capture. The photo capture is done by pressing the photo button, which instantly captures the image. If you want to record a video, you have to press the record button. You'll be asked to enter the file name. You can either keep it or enter your own name using the keyboard. Pressing OK, and the recording has been started. You can pause recording by pressing the record button anytime and put it back on by pressing the record button again, and it'll continue. Enter your notes using the keyboard and they will be displayed on the recording later when you're previewing the footage. Also, you can use the mic button to enter any audio notes to keep track of what's going on the screen. For the camera control functions, we have the pan and tilt control joystick, which controls the rotation of the camera head. It's pretty simple. We also have the manual focus button, which controls the focus. Let's say it's super close by and it's out of focus. You adjust it, and as you can see, you can now clearly see what's going on. And as well as the focus reset, which resets the focus back to normal. We have the reset rotation and camera switch, which is used to reset the position of the pan and tilt camera head, as well as switch camera views on the dual view camera head. We also have the LED dimmer, which controls the brightness of the LEDs. And that's about it. Let me show you the counter feature, which shows the amount of cable that is currently extended out of the reel. Right now, it's almost 2 feet. We have two buttons on the counter itself. We have the reset button and the unit changing button. The reset resets the counter to 0. For example, let's say your reel is like 10 feet away from the inspection hole and you want to make sure it's 0 during the inspection. We also have the unit switching button, which resets the unit from feet to meters, which is up to you, whatever you want to use. Let me show you what accessories are included with the Anaconda unit. Firstly, we include the manual with the USB storage stick, some batteries for the keyboard, and the headphones for the microphone function. We also include the charger for the control unit. We include a test cable to test the camera head functionality. Let's say if your reel is broken and you want to test it to see what part of the unit is broken, this is used for this. We also include a remote control for some of the functions to be controlled remotely. Also the camera head skid and its accessories, which are used for different pipe diameters. Let me show you how to attach the skid to the Anaconda camera head. Firstly, we have to remove the camera head itself by unscrewing it and removing it. Also, we have to unscrew the skid itself and attach the arms that you'd like to put. In this case, I'll do the smaller ones just for demonstration. Then you'll put this first sleeve on, and then you can screw on the camera head. Make sure to align it properly and secure it. Once you secure it tightly, you push the sleeve as far as possible, and now you can screw on the second part. And as you can see, now the skid is securely on the camera head and can be used in the desired diameter. All the camera heads on our Anaconda units, like pan and tilt, dual view, and straight view, have a built-in 512 Hz sound. And if you have a sound locator that can be purchased from our store or rented from us, you can use it to locate the camera head underground. As you can see, it works perfectly.